4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 to a 2 left, don't cut, and a 4 right, don't cut. 4 right, don't cut. 60, 6 left, long tarmac ahead. 40 to a 2 left, slippy maybe. 2 left, 60 to another 2 left, to an hairpin right tight. Onto gravel. Double caution, 1 left, all outside, tightens. On a 3 left, 40 to an hairpin right, 6 left long, 6 right long, sorry, but 6 right long, an hairpin left long, maybe slippy. Six left, 60. 2 right, double caution, tightens to hairpin right. 2 right, tightens to hairpin right. 6 left, 60. 2 hairpin left, deceptive, hairpin left, deceptive. And crest, continue straighty. Down to a 2 left, a tight 2 left. Tight 2 left. 40. 6 right slowing, tightens to a 2 right long, very tight. 40, tarmac ahead. 6 left tightens, 6 left tightens, and an hairpin left long. Ooh, fuck. Hairpin left long. 2 right, yeah, 2 right. 40, hairpin left, hairpin left. Hairpin right. 40, hairpin left. Hairpin left. 130, gravel. 6 right over bump. 40 to a 4 left long. 4 left long. 60, slow into a turn. Triple caution, turn 1 left over bad bump. Triple caution, turn 1 left over bad bump. 3 right and a 2 left long, tightens. 2 left long, tightens. 4 right, maybe slippy, tighten into 2 right, long, 2 right long. 150. Square left, and a 2 right. Square left, 2 right. And a 3 left, and a 2 right, hairpin left. 100. 2 right, opens, maybe slippy. 2 right opens, maybe slippy. Into 3 right long, don't cut. 3 right long, don't cut. 100. 100. 4 right over crest, tightens. 60 down to a 2 left. 2 left. 40. 2 left. On a 3 right tight. 2 left, 3 right tight. On a 3 left long. Into square right opens. 3 left long, square right opens. Into crest. And a 5 left. 60. 5 left over small crest. 60 through the dip. 6 right tightens. Into a 3 right long, maybe slippy. 3 right long, maybe slippy. Into 2 left tight, 2 left tight. 40. 5 left and a 4 right long. 4 right long and a 5 left over crest. 5 left over crest, 20. To a 6 left, 5 right through the dip. Long, 40. 40, 6 left, 60, chicane. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Tight one this is. 40. 5 right flat. 5 right flat. 6 left. 60. 6 left over small crest. 6 right. Small crest finish. And I've got 80 and a 5 right, don't cut.